Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps, and I have a lovely card here. I'm going to show you how to create a nice simple card again on a grey background. I love grey and black backgrounds. Just using a few highlights, it just brings them to life. This is obviously using our brand new stamps. So we've got Fernwick, we've got Tumble, and we've got Barkley here, our three lovely raccoons. These are the smaller ones. I've also got obviously the larger ones as well, who are more of a standalone focal point, but these guys, they work well all together. So I'm going to show you how to create this now, quick and easy, but so effective. And there we have it, guys. How quick and easy is something like that? Using our brand new stamps. This is Fenwick, Temple and Berkeley, our lovely 3 raccoons. Thanks so much for joining me again today. You take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.